you lot, welcome back to the channel. This is Keto Recipes UK and I'm Donna, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you our cheeseburger casserole meal. We did find this when we first started doing keto online, but I've adapted it because I do all the cooking. I've adapted it my way, so the boys love it. It's a really good recipe and this is all the bits that you're going to need. So 2 onions. Remember, this is for 4 people, guys, so you adapt it for yourselves, but 2 onions. I don't use a whole punnet of mushrooms, but we use chestnut mushrooms. Garlic, chilli, tomato sauce, mayo, mustard, cooking bacon, mince, and some herbs. I also throw in about a tablespoon of liquid smoke as well, just to give it a little bit of a lovely flavour, and then obviously some mozzarella and cheddar over the top. So yeah, we love this recipe, it is really tasty and I cannot wait to show you guys, so let's get on. So guys, in my recipes, we like chunky veg, so I'm not a chef, I'm not gonna lie, I like to cook, so I do it Donna style. And Donna style usually means like chunky, uneven, not measured. But you guys will probably find out. Also guys, we shop in Aldi and Lidl quite a lot. We use the wonky veg because it's a little bit cheaper. You'll probably find if you are just starting out on keto, it is quite expensive to turn your kitchen round. Sorry, this is really loud, guys, I apologise. It is expensive when you first start out, but it's totally worth it. Once you're into it, you're into it, and it makes it a lot easier. So guys, I cook majority of things either in butter or coconut oil. But when it comes to beefy meats, I find that butter works better, especially for veg. So we're going to let this melt and get to a good heat, and then we're going to add the onions and let them brown in the butter. Yeah, one more. So guys, in the recipe it also has gherkins, because obviously cheeseburgers have gherkins. I usually cut off the ends if they're a bit weird, like when they look a bit like this. But we get these big jars from Costco. They're great. Done. And that's it for the veg. So this is the only things that we add into it. I'm going to move this over to the side of the pots because we've got bacon to chop up and sort out the mince. So guys, we use cooking bacon, which never looks lovely. It doesn't look tasty in any way, shape or form, and sometimes it comes in big, like gammony slabs. So I just make it thin, keep the fat on it. I know a lot of people don't like fat on their bacon, but trust me, the more fat that you have, well, not the more fat, but on this diet you can have quite a bit of fat. So just remember that when you're taking the bits off. So guys, the onions are brown now, so I'm just going to add in the mince. I break it up before putting it in because sometimes it can be a bit clumpy and come out like meatballs. So this is 675 grams of mince, but this does the 4 of us and someone's lunch, depending on who the lucky person is. Okay guys, I've put butter in the pan now and I'm just going to add the bacon. Guys, so now I'm going to add some flavour into it. So the bacon's cooking away, the meal has started, so I add some crushed garlic, teaspoon, some crushed chillies, about half a teaspoon, depending on how spicy you like your stuff, an Oxo, like a melt thing, some pizza seasoning, don't ask me why, but it just makes it taste better, and about a tablespoon of liquid smoke. And these are to taste, so you guys add as much or less as you want to, but I do add American style mustard, mayo and ketchup. So guys, once your melt has melted, I add in some pizza seasoning, which is just oregano, basil, salt, chilli, and one little grinder. Again, I don't really measure this out, I just put enough in that I can see it. And it just gives it a little bit of added flavour. I don't know how sizzling this is going to be on the camera, so I'm sorry. It's almost a little bit mad. So guys, I'm adding in the bacon, and then I'm going to cook the mushrooms in what's left of the fat there. Just going to turn that down a little bit. Give this a stir. Oh, losing some. Okay, so the mushrooms have now cooked down. I'm just going to add them in. Give it a good stir. So now I add in some mozzarella. Now guys, I really don't weigh anything, so I will add some measurements. It will be on the recipe card at the end. Or in the description. Guys, this is my favourite ingredient in all recipes apart from sweet ones. Black pepper. I use it in everything. It's always got a peppery taste. I can't help myself, I love it. And it gives it a little bit of spice. So guys, I don't add salt to this because the Oxo Melt adds enough salt. so you don't really need that. I add these to taste, not to make it wet, so if it gets too runny sometimes it's not as nice. Mozzarella's all sticking, it's lovely. So guys, you don't need to add ketchup and stuff. This is our personal flavour. This is what we prefer. So guys, I'm going to add some cheddar. Alright guys, so I've put the cheddar on the top. I'm just topping it with more gherkins because we are a household that loves them, and actually on keto, gherkins are a lifesaver if you need like a savoury snack or something like that. You can just go and grab them. Our pots can go from hob to oven, the handle comes off, but if you don't have that, then you can put it in a casserole dish before putting the cheddar on. Put it in the casserole dish, put the cheddar on, and then stick it in the oven at 160 for about 10 minutes. Guys, I think it's ready. Yeah. Nice and bubbly. Looks amazing. I'm really happy with it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you want some more information on it, certainly give me a message. Yeah, I love this meal. It's one of our favourites, and we serve this with salad. Sometimes we do halloumi fries, which we're not doing tonight. But yeah, we're having it with salad tonight, so I cannot wait to tuck in, so we're going to go eat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, little thumbs up would be lovely, and share the video. And if you want any more information, certainly get in touch. Keep safe guys, bye!